change the oil in my 2015 Porsche Macan S every 5,000 miles. These are the fluids and parts I use. Start by removing the undercarriage cover. So, to avoid the splashing all over the place when the oil hits the drain pan, which happened to me more than once, I got this bucket and I drilled a hole here, and now when the oil hits the bottom, the splash occurs inside the bucket, and then it drains through the hole and then gently drain to the drain pan, avoiding all the mess. So I've been using this for the past couple of oil changes and it works really well. Alright, now it's time to remove the drain plug using an 8mm hex socket. Taking an oil sample, we shall send to Blackstone Labs for oil analysis. Now it's time to remove the filter using a 36mm socket. Some oil will drip from the filter, so make sure you're repositioning the drain pan to collect it. Time to replace the filter housing O-ring. Lubrication of the O-ring is extremely important. The greatest benefit of using lubricant is typically obtained during installation. Using lubricant is going to decrease the surface friction of the O-ring, helping to prevent abrasion, pinching, or cutting of the O-ring during installation. always use a new drain plug and a new cross washer, but you can get away by only using a new cross washer if the plug is fine. When installing the filter, I find it easier to install the filter media first, then installing the filter cover. It's now time to torque the filter housing. The filter housing torque specification is engraved on the filter housing. It is 25 Newton meters. Install the drain plug using the 8mm hex socket, and I specifically torque this drain plug to 30 Newton meters. Now it's time to add the oil. I start by cleaning surrounding areas to ensure I will not be inadvertently introducing dirt or dust which contains silica into the engine. As you can see, I keep my funnel in a clean Ziploc bag to ensure that I minimize dust and particle deposition in the funnel. This is all part of my contamination control strategy. For my Macan, I use top-of-the-line Motul 8100 XS Gen 2 oil with a SAE specification of 5W40. This oil has the Porsche A40 specification. I also add LiquiMoly Ceratec, which is an anti-wear additive that contains ceramic anti-wear compounds. I add about 0.4 to 0.5 liters of Ceratec to my engine every 10,000 miles. The overall oil filled quantity is 8 liters of oil for my 2015 Macan S, but I complete the oil filling process with a total of about 7.5 liters of oil. Later on, I will turn the car on, let the oil get to operating temperature and check the level, and I'll add oil if necessary. Now I'm reinstalling the undercarriage cover. After oil reaches operating temperature, check oil level. As you can see, mine requires a little bit more oil. Now, I'm resetting the oil service counter.